Since I wanted to work in Japan after I graduated, I was looking for a school that had this support. And this school has this business class, which for me was like the decision making.
本校の特別なところとしましては、学生さんのニーズに合った日本語を提供するための多彩なクラス設定があるところです。例えば日本語の規則が固まりました中級後半以上のクラスでは選択科目を用意しておりまして、文化を習いたいという目的の方には、文化ですとか、アニメや音楽などを中心に選んでいただいたり、テストを目的にされている方は JLPT や EJU に特化したクラスを選べるというクラスを用意しております。
I've chosen this school because I really loved the education system over here. This is a great school to prepare for the university, and they have lots of different courses to help you to get to the university, like preparation for the interview and for writing an essay, and also obviously different classes like English, math, physics, everything you need to pass to get to the university. That's why I've chosen this one.
I currently in the morning class, so I study from 9:20 to 12:40. Right now I'm the business class, so I have all things related to business. I have like how to written business mail, and there's Keigo, which is the language they use, the formal Japanese, which is very difficult. I live about 15 minutes from the school, so it's very convenient. After school, I go back home, I prepare my lunch. I'm currently trying to learn how to cook Japanese dishes. And after that, I kind of study for school. And at night, I like to go for a walk. I live near Ueno Park, so I go there.
本校の教授法ですが、まず基本的には直接教授法で教室の中では日本語で全て行っております。で、その中でも知識を詰め込むという形ではなく、使える日本語を習うという形で教えていけるようにしておりますので、授業内でも学生がアウトプットをいかにできるかという練習方法を多彩に取り入れております。
The area itself is pretty busy because there are lots of settlements in this area and working class. In my personal opinion, that it's really great because you feel yourself as like a part of the society. And the point that the school is situated right in the center of Tokyo is really amazing.
So I would totally recommend this school because if you want to go to the university after you learn Japanese, there's support for that. If you want to get a job, there's support for that. So doesn't matter what the goals are, I feel like here the professors and everybody will help you to get there.